Fantom or Avalanche? What's your favorite? I'm going to tell you mine after this disclaimer.
I'm a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only.
So let's have a look at Fantom versus Avalanche. First up, let's check Avalanche's Avex.network. Now, it's the foundation launching an incentive program focused on accelerating the adoption and growth of its novel subnets, the premier scaling solution for Web3 dApps, that's decentralized apps. Blazingly fast, low cost, and eco-friendly. All right, it's incredible. You can see how it works here, popping them all in through the ecosystem. What is actually possible? It's now open, all right? You can start building inside of the Avalanche programmer, all right? Up at the top of the website, you'll see all the different kinds. You've got the developers, the individual, what you actually want to do. And we're going to look at the price very soon when we compare it to Fantom. Now, it's building fast, low-cost, Solidity-compatible dApps, launching customized blockchains, private and public, and scale to million of validators with minimal hardware. All right, if you know what AVAX is, that's their local token, and I'm going to show you exactly in a second. But let's jump to Fantom. Fantom, they concentrate on the performance. Now, it's at Fantom Foundation. It's F-A-N-T-O-M, not P-H. Okay, they concentrate on what matters. It's fast, high throughput, open source smart contract platform for digital assets and dApps. Now, you've got the FTM scan, the multichain.org, the Fantom projects, and the wallet. All right, Fantom wallet is incredible. And you can see by this little video here exactly what's actually happening through the trailer. So the consensus protocol, it delivers unparalleled speed, security, and reliability. Enjoy almost instant transactions and low fees. Almost instant transaction, well, that means they are finalized in a second, cost fraction of a cent. All right, it's always secure with their nodes and everything else, highly scalable, so you can scale to literally thousands of nodes in a second. Ethereum compatible, so you can deploy it on your Ethereum dApps. 200 dApps already deployed on Fantom. You can see them all here. This is all their DEXs, all their cross-chain bridges, their ledger and borrowing, their yield optimizers, NFT platforms, the GameFi's tools, and their wallets. All right, they've got an insane amount. Now let's compare the prices. The Fantom price today sitting at $0.1892. It might have changed as you're watching this video, but looking through the 3 monthly is my favorite one to look through. They started to push up. They started to actually pick up momentum. And then with the latest thing going on in the crypto world, yep, we dropped back down. But I think Fantom has the strength to push past this, okay? It already pushed past when other cryptos were not. So I think it does have the strength. Now let's have a look at Avalanche. So AVAX, the Avalanche token, okay, looking at the 3 monthly again, did slightly the same, all right, but not a big enough push. So it did drop down just like every other crypto, but I think this push here is good, but if you compare it to Fantom, their push was a dramatic spike, which means they really picked up momentum, whereas AVAX was sort of a just gradually grow and drop again. In my opinion, I'm going to say that I think the one to get in, I would get into both, but if you were going to get into one, I would jump into Fantom right now. I would only jump into Fantom over Avalanche because of the spike that I saw in the trading graph with the 3 monthly, and I think they really tried to push momentum. I think they're going to try again, all right? They're both really good assets in my opinion. If you get involved, I think you could be very shocked on how growing your portfolio becomes next year. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.